Hey guys, Happy New Year! Thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Arya and in this video I'm going to show you how I made a mask inspired by one of my favorite video games, The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Of course, I am taking the reference from the mask that Link wears himself in the video game with his Gerudo outfit. This past year, for obvious reasons, I did so many masks, and here I am showing you some of them. Deep in the box of my leftover materials, I found these two fabrics and I suddenly felt inspired to make a Gerudo Link mask. Here I am using two patterns that are basically the same shape, just one is smaller because that one will be used for the lining of the mask. After cutting these four shapes, I am going to sew the two big ones and the two small ones, right sides of the fabric, together. I printed a second paper pattern so I can draw the design of Link's Gerudo mask on it. After using a marker to define the design more, I cut every single piece out. And after making sure they fit right on the mask, let the tracing begin. I mirrored the pattern in the other side and this is the result. With white fabric paint, I start to fill in the design. If you want to do this, I recommend putting on a movie or watching a show or your favorite YouTuber. Keep yourself distracted because your hands are gonna be working for a long time. Fun fact, remember that I said earlier in this video that this is leftover fabric? Well, this is the same fabric that I used to create the champion scarf for my Mifa cosplay back in 2018. Alright, this is when it finally started to look good. While I was in the middle of working on this mask, my friend Muffy asked me to design a Yiga clan mask for her. And since we are in the Breath of the Wild topic, I decided to also include the making of this mask in this video. It's the same process all over again. Drawing the entire design on a paper pattern, then cutting all the pieces and drawing them with a chalk pencil on the fabric. I discovered very quickly that this fabric takes the paint so much better than the Gerudo one, so I needed a bit less layers of paint for this one. And after many days of painting and waiting for everything to dry, here's the result. So I actually forgot to record myself sewing the two masks, so I'm going to reenact it with another random mask that I was doing around the same time. It is the same sewing process after all. Take your lining piece and pin it right sides of the fabric together and get to sewing. Turn it inside out and hem both sides of the mask, just like I am showing in the video. And of course, you gotta hem the top too. This little flap will be sewn towards the inside of the fabric to create canals for the elastics that will be added later on. You gotta believe me when I tell you that I only used leftover materials for this. Seriously, I didn't spend a cent on this project. Here I am using an old stretchy shirt to make the elastics for the mask. I am cutting straps, using pins to guide them through the canals I created earlier, and then hand stitching the ends together. Here I am also going to show myself making elastics that will go behind your ears. It is exactly the same process as before, just this time you have to cut two smaller straps. Okay, so back to the nerdy masks. I am now using baking paper to iron the masks. According to the instructions of the fabric paint, this is something that needs to be done so the paint will stick better to the fabric. And I use this nice yellow fabric for the elastics of the link mask. I love it how this fabric also mimics the color of the straps from the Gerudo mask. And I am done! I am very happy with the results, though I am not sure I will make these masks too often since the painting process takes so much time. These three masks were actually commissions for three awesome friends, and here I have some shiny envelopes to ship them to their new owners. If you want to make these masks yourself, I hope you will find this video helpful. Leave all of your questions and your comments down below, and I will do my best to answer them all. All links to my social medias are down in the description. Like and subscribe for more fun sewing content. See you next time. Bye!